qualifications. Now, the worst thing you could do is use Indeed. Now, let me explain why Indeed is the worst thing. Because you, logically speaking, will be like, well, why don't I just go on Indeed? And if they're looking for an accountant with ACCA qualification, I'll just call them and I'll just be like, hey guys, I've got an accountant. He's ACCA. No, terrible, right? And I have to be honest, anyone that advises you to go on Indeed does not know recruitment and has never started a recruitment company for themselves. And let me be extremely clear in that. And I'll tell you why. Tell me if I'm wrong in this. And it's extremely logical, right? If a company has put an advert out on Indeed, that means not only have they had sign off on the job, they've discussed it, they've gone through the effort of putting an advert on Indeed. They've probably already told the recruitment agencies they work with that they are looking for someone. Because they've put it on Indeed, they've probably already told the recruitment agencies, right? And so when you're speaking to this company, you're 2 or 3 days late, minimum, right? Most of the time it's 1 or 2 weeks. Now, if you're 2 or 3 days late, you might be like, well, that doesn't sound that bad. 2 or 3 days is huge, because 2 or 3 days means I can go up or down a database and find the relevant candidates who are or are not looking for work. What that therefore means is you're more than 48, 72 hours after the race has already started. I mean, the race has started and that's when you're joining. And so you will never have a good chance to make money going down the Indeed route. And it is always better. What you're actually looking to do is speak to a company who says something like, I don't need anything right now, but I might need something in 2 or 3 months. I don't need anything right now. I might need something in 2-3 weeks. That's what you're looking for. And these are crucial things, because people think they're doing things the right way, but they're actually doing things completely the wrong way. And the way that the majority do things, it's never the right way. I promise you guys. Actually, I've done this for myself. Bearing in mind, this is something I've done. I've proved it. I've shown bank statements of my money coming day in, day out. And so the right way to go about this is never just to call companies from Indeed. That is something you want to stay far away from.